I hope that you will learn a new skill in this video. So here it's an Infinix Smart 8 codename x6525. Here in the settings menu, we can check that it's 6525 Smart 8 and it's on Android 13 and it has a UNISOC and speed chipset that is UMS9230T606. And here you can check that its IMEIs are got corrupted. Verified in the dialer menu by dialing *#06# and here you can see that all the IMEIs are got corrupted. So in this video we are going to learn how to repair its IMEIs. So without any further ado, let's jump to the process. So in order to repair its IMEIs, first power this phone, leave it aside. Now come to the Windows interface. Here we have to download this SPD Write IMEI tool. I will place the link of this software in the description below. You can download from there. Extract it as I already extracted it. Open this folder. Now just open this tool. Open the device manager by hitting Windows X and then M key simultaneously. Make sure to install the SPD and UNISOC drivers. Before starting this procedure, I will place the link of the driver installer in the description. You can download that too. I already installed the UNISOC and SPD drivers. Now from here, click on this set. Check IMEI 1, 2. Set it on manual. From here, just leave all the settings as default and just click on this save. From here, keep this port side as USB. Now grab a USB cable, put the other into the PC side. Now just put a new IMEIs. I'm just for the demonstration purpose, I'm just typing this 333 and 444 in the IMEI field. You have to only write the original IMEI that is written on the back side of this sticker. I'm just using for the demonstration purposes. Now just hit right and just plug the USB cable in it. In the device manager, you can see that the SPRD U2SDH COM16 and meanwhile here it successfully repaired the IMEI. Here you can see that the new IMEIs are 333 and 444. Now close the software, close the device manager. Now just from here remove this USB cable and then press and hold this power key and volume down key for a few seconds. Now it's just rebooting. If you have any questions or queries, you may ask in the comments section below. I have already posted a lot of knowledgeable videos. You will get a lot of knowledge if you visit the channel. And here we can confirm the repaired IMEIs. In the dialer menu by dialing *06# and here you can see that IMEIs are successfully repaired to the 333 and the 444. We can also verify in the settings menu by going to the about phone and here more information about phone and here you can see that the new IMEIs are 333 and the 444. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and do not forget to hit subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Till then, keep smiling.